For me, it is about the law and people.
That is not a legal defense, let me tell you.
And how people can resolve and better themselves.
Justice with passion.
I knew I was going to go into law because I always defended everybody. I was always the one who found a solution and tried to resolve the problem by having people talk to each other.
Justice with truth.
So I'm giving you one more chance to tell me the truth.
This is Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez. George Morris is suing his ex-wife, Regina Peterson, in the amount of $2,000 because he says he paid for her cosmetic dental work and now wants to be reimbursed.
All rise. Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Cristina Perez presiding. Please be seated. All parties have been sworn in, Your Honor.
Thank you, Bernard. Mr. Morris, you
Yes.
are here suing your ex-wife?
Okay, so basically, you know, she bilked me out of $2,000, Your Honor.
Okay, how did she take $2,000 from you?
Okay, well, we met a while ago. You know, over a course of a few years, I've been going to this place this restaurant called the Soul Food Shack, and you know, I'd frequent the restaurant about 3 times a week, and you know,
Must
she
be a
was
good
there, and
restaurant.
she was one of the waitresses there, and you know, every time I'd go over there, sometimes I'd order in, and I'd order takeout, and when I'd order takeout, you know, she would basically put something in, you know, in the bag, and I'd find it at the house. It'd basically be like a pie.
A little
you know.
something extra.
You know, I figured she was like sending me a message, like she was sweet on me or something. You know.
If I may, Your Honor, I did used to do that for him, but
Okay.
I mean, I had been working at the soul food restaurant for about 4 years, and he had been coming for about 3. So
And did
he
you
would
have
come
a little
3 or 4
crush on him?
I mean, I thought he was a really sweet guy. He used to bring me flowers, expensive chocolates, you know, things like that. So I knew he was sweet on me, obviously, but I mean, I was a waitress. I had a lot of male regulars that would come in. He tipped really good.
So she did that for you, so you thought that was very sweet, or you thought that was her way of, flirting with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
so,
right.
It was a little. I did
basically,
like
yeah.
Okay,
So
it was a little
I mean,
flirting, she's saying.
So basically, one day I decided to ask her out. You know, I asked her out to a play, and then we really hit it off. You know, we started seeing each other every day after that, and you know, but I noticed something really strange about her, that we'd be out in public, and she'd cover her face. You know, she'd always cover her face, and she wouldn't smile. And so I asked her about that, and she told me, well, you know, I really am ashamed about my smile. You know,
She has a beautiful smile. Why would you be ashamed of your
well,
smile?
she has a beautiful
Well,
smile
now
Your Honor, but you know, like this is the way she looked before. You know that you know she had some dental work done.
Okay.
Basically.
So you discovered that while you were dating, while you thought she was very pretty, she didn't smile that much, and because she was embarrassed of her teeth.
You know, I was concerned about her looks, you know, because she was concerned about her looks, and I just wanted to make her feel good. So I said, babe, why don't you just like go and take a look into it, and, you know, get a price and see what it would cost to, you know, to fix your smile. I mean, obviously from this, I mean, you know, so she did. She went and got a couple of estimates. You know, she got one estimate for like $8,000. She got another estimate for $10,000.
Would they have to have replaced your whole
Yeah, they had
front
to.
teeth?
I had to get full like veneers of. They shaved them down and everything because they were all like discolored.
Got it. And childhood trauma, you said, caused
Your
that?
Honor,
I was in an accident when I was younger. I fell off my bike, chipped my tooth on the curb, but because it hit a nerve, it started
You got
causing
trauma.
all my teeth to decay
discolor?
and
Got
discolor.
It. Okay. So then you said, oh, she checked out a couple estimates, $8,000, a lot of money. You're like, oh, that's too much money. Okay, so then what happened next?
Okay, so what happened next? Well, you know, basically she came back and she suggested, well, you know, if we got married.
I did not suggest that, Your Honor.
You did.
I did not.
You said if we got married, she'd be able to get on my insurance, and it would only cost me $2,000. And I said, you know, I have a good job, you know, and I said, well, I'll pay that. You know, I'll pay that for her to be happy.
Can I say something, Your Honor?
Okay, so go ahead. What's your version of the story?
Now, when he first suggested to me about my teeth getting work done in the first place, He's the one who brought it up. Well, if you check into it and you see how much it costs, then I will pay for it to get done. And that's exactly what I did. I went to a couple of different places. I got a couple of different quotes. Like he said, one was $8,000, one was $10,000. Then when I presented him with that, he told me, well, you know what? I think it will be a lot cheaper if you were on my insurance.
So then you're saying he's the one.
He's the one who suggested in the first place.
Okay, did you propose to her?
Well, this is the thing. It was her birthday, right? And we were celebrating her birthday, and we drove out to Las Vegas. I said, let's go and have a good time, and basically, have a good time. But the thing is, we were driving around, and in every chapel that we'd see, she'd be pointing like, "Wow,
Your Honor, he had it planned from the beginning.
Honey,
he had
there's
it planned
a chapel.
From the beginning. He knew my birthday was coming up. He said he wanted to do something special for me. Then I didn't know where we were going. We pop up, we drive, and we're in Vegas. Okay, so we're in Vegas now. So you decided to take me as a surprise for my birthday to Vegas. Oh,
so what did you want to do with her in Vegas? Just go from casino to casino?
We're just celebrating her birthday. Yeah, we're trying to have a good time, but she kept
got me drunk, Your Honor.
She was just suggesting chapels here and there and everywhere.
So you suggested let's get married?
Well, basically, I wanted to make her happy.
Yes, he did.
That sounds like a yes to me with that little smile.
Coming up on Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez.
After he got my teeth done, every single second of the day he would ask me to smile. Smile. I paid for it. Smile. You washing the dishes. Smile. It's sunny outside.
You're watching Justice for All with Judge Cristina Perez. We're back with the case of George Morris, who is suing his ex-wife Regina Peterson to recover the cost of cosmetic dental work he claims she owes him for.
How long were you married in total?
We were married for 8 months.
Okay.
And
how sad that you two got divorced, because you look so cute together.
We got divorced because she was lazy around the house. She wouldn't clean up.
First of all, Your Honor,
she wouldn't do the dishes. She wouldn't clean up.
Please?
She wouldn't do laundry. My underwear would come out pink because she'd mixed the whites with the reds. I didn't even want to take a bath because, I'd go into the bathroom and it was filthy.
Your Honor, he didn't take a bath because he chose not to take a bath.
Did you want to get a wife or a housekeeper? What was that?
Thank you.
Well, I wanted her to be my wife.
I would like to know the same
so does a
answer.
wife mean a housekeeper?
If I'm out working, sweating all day, every day,
and he didn't
I
take
come
showers
back
either,
home,
Your Honor. That's
and I come
another
home,
thing.
and she didn't even smile when I came home. I'd always get this cold look when I came home.
I would like to touch bases on this subject, please,
Okay,
Your Honor.
please go ahead.
After he got my teeth done and they were fixed, every single second of the day he would ask me to smile. Smile. I paid for it. Smile. You washing the dishes. Smile. It's sunny outside. I don't understand why I need to be smiling while I'm washing dishes.
I only wanted you to smile because you just weren't smiling. You looked like you were sad all the time.
I was miserable. I was tired of laying next to somebody that with the stench that you had. He would only take a shower about 2 times a week.
Oh, come on, Gina. No.
He's complaining about the tub. I didn't want to scrub mud out of 10 rings around the tub. I'm scrubbing out of the tub. Yeah, it was dirty.
Wow, you guys were a match made in heaven. Jeez, how sad, though. I still find it sad.
Your Honor,
both of you are so charming. It's so sad. So then, have you guys ever been married before?
No,
ma'am.
This was my first marriage.
Wow, you waited a long time.
Your Honor, I have a receipt here from the dentist.
Okay, let me see
basically
that.
shows that I paid $2,000.
All of your evidence.
Yeah.
Regina, do you have any evidence at
Well,
all?
there's something else here, Your Honor. I wanted to let you know there's an email message that I found. In fact, after she left the house and moved in with her mom, she left a little note in one of the drawers, and I saw it had her password on it. She wasn't really that smart. She left her
I'm very
password
smart, Your Honor. I didn't have
to her
anything to
email.
hide. I didn't have anything to hide.
I logged into her email and I saw all these messages to her mom. And in one of the emails, you can see for yourself, Your Honor, she planned this whole thing. She planned to marry me.
I can't take it. I'm ready to leave. I'm going to stay with him long enough to get as much as I can out of this, and then I'm going to divorce and move back home. What does that mean, Regina?
I basically was saying I was tired of going through everything that I was going through with him. I was tired of dealing with all the problems that we were having, and I was just basically telling my mother.
You weren't tired of wearing all those dresses I bought you?
Yeah, they were gifts. What do you expected me to do? I was wearing them, but I was just tired of everything. So I decided that I was going to leave,
and what about
I told
the ring?
my mom.
You don't even have the ring anymore, do you?
No,
what did you do with the ring?
It fell down the sink.
Okay, so you are here today because you're suing her for $2,000 back because that's what you had to pay to get her teeth done through your insurance.
Yes,
That was
ma'am.
your deductible,
Yes, ma'am.
essentially. So you want her to pay that back.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot do that because it was part of it wasn't a loan. It was part of the community property. It was like a gift. You're not going to ask your wife to give you money. My husband's not going to ask me give me money back because I did my nails
Your Honor, it wasn't
and
a
I fixed
gift.
my
I
shoes
just wanted her
and I
to
got
feel
my
good.
hair done. I mean, that's ridiculous. It's
Can
part
you
of the
believe
community property.
he called me
It's-
and asked me to pop the veneers out?
Now. So, Mr. Morris, obviously, I will deny your claim because you have no claim. There's no, I mean, now, if you want to.
Oh, look, you
I
want
mean,
to smile now, huh?
See,
wanted to see my teeth?
See, he doesn't want it to end.
I
That's what
know.
he does not want it to end. Maybe you can rekindle your friendship over a piece of cobbler or something, okay? Good luck.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge Perez has ruled in favor of the defendant. The plaintiff's claim is denied.
You know what, George? It's sad that it had to come to this point, but I'm happy.
Yeah,
should be
you're
too.
happy. Yeah, because you got a smile now.
Yeah, I did get a smile.
I paid for your smile, and
You should have never dragged me to court. It was a gift in the first place.
This has been a production of Entertainment Studios.